All right. Hi, everyone. Welcome to our 12th session of CNMCyber Customer Support Development Meetups. Today, I'm joined with Rahim, and we're going to look at the changes or the updates that we needed to make on the Mamlaka, on the kenyax.com/mawazo Mawazo page on KenyaX website. And then, yeah, this will be basically the topics of our discussions. Hi, Rahim.
Hello, I hope you're doing well.
I am. How about you?
Thank you. I'm doing well. Thank
Mm-hmm.
God for today.
All right.
Excited to share some brilliant ideas, at least to help shape
Mm-hmm.
the whole project.
Okay. Let me know if you can see my screen.
Mm, no, not yet.
I'm sharing my screen,
Yeah,
and I don't know why you're not able to see it.
I'm not able to see it,
Let me
but
share
I
it
hope
again. How about now?
still no.
Hmm.
On my end,
Mm-hmm.
no. I'm just seeing a K here. K for Kevin. Kevin's
Okay.
screen,
Is
but
there?
there is
Yeah,
nothing on
yes.
that screen.
There's nothing on the page. Probably it will.
Okay.
Okay. Are you able to see it now?
No,
Not yet. Maybe just give it a few
not.
minutes and then it will come on. So,
Yeah, sure.
based on our yesterday's discussions, there were several points that were missing in the previous page I had shared with you and Gary, and some of the updates that we were to be made on this on the pages that to mention that participation is free. So yeah, this was done, or maybe I can go through the page and then we'll discuss the changes that were made and see what else is missing or what we should remove from the page. Is that
Okay,
okay? All right. So,
no problem.
next Mawazo challenge. We agree that is the topic of these challenges, and then the tagline is idea yako ushindi wako.
Yeah,
All right. So,
yeah.
and then we'll go further and explain and have a title like Challenge Theme Help Shape the Future of Kenya X. So,
Mm-hmm.
below that, we have a paragraph. Have an idea that could improve Kenya X or its products. This is your moment. Each week, we present several challenges. So, I had previously had mentioned that we're going to have a weekly challenge, but now, based on our discussions yesterday, we
Yeah.
found out that we're going to have several challenges in a week. So this is one of the
Okay.
changes that has been made. Each week,
Mm.
we present several challenges focused on developing Kenya X innovations. Review the particular challenge you would like to participate in, do your research, and submit your best idea. The top idea wins a prize, and possibly much more. Much more. This is basically a chance to join Kenya X team or work as a customer support representative and later on be promoted to customer support lead.
Yeah.
And then so it goes further and says, remember, participation is free. Yeah, so we mentioned that
Mhm.
there. How to participate.
Yeah.
There were many updates to be made in this section, particularly how to identify the challenge you would like to participate in, how to share your idea, what exactly to do. So the first point under this section is pick your challenge date. So since in a week we will have several challenges, so
Mm-hmm.
a participant is able to select the kind of challenge they would like to participate in,
Okay.
then do that research about that particular challenge, and then point two
Mm-hmm.
it says review the weekly topic. So yeah, this one
Okay.
also need to be changed because it's supposed to be review the challenge topic.
Mm,
Challenge topic. Each challenge has a specific product or issue to focus on. Check the calendar for the posted challenge topic and understand what's being explored. Yeah, so in the challenge on a particular date, there will be obviously more information about a particular challenge. And also, each challenge will have its own video, as we had discussed earlier on. So, and
okay.
then also in the video, it will go on and say, post your idea in the comment section. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
something like that, so that they understand how to post their ideas. I've also mentioned it
Okay.
here. Yeah. So point three, it goes ahead and say, do your research, dive into the problem, understand the issue affecting the product, explore how similar problems are being resolved by others, our competitors.
Mm-hmm.
Think creatively and come up with a solution that works for Kenya X.
Okay.
Yes. So that is how they will develop the idea. Submit your idea on YouTube. This is point four. Head to YouTube video that discuss the particular
Mm-hmm.
challenge, and share your idea in the comment section before the deadline. Also, in the video, it will need to mention the deadline of when the ideas
Yeah.
should be shared, right? And then
Yeah.
point
Sure.
five, yeah, point five, submit multiple ideas. You're encouraged to post as many ideas as you'd like and participate in as many challenges as you want. Right? That is what we agreed on, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Check for results to see if you've won. Join the state of the challenge event, or watch out for the winner announcement in the video's comment section.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Point
Okay.
seven, ask questions, win a reward. Have a question or concern, post it on the video's comment section. If your question sparks a new development or idea, you could still qualify for a prize.
Okay.
Yeah. So why join Mawazo Challenge? This one we have not made any updates, but let's just go over it and then we will think of what we missed out and what we need to include. So why join?
Okay.
Showcase your talent, flex your creative muscle, and pitch real practical ideas. Unlock career opportunities, impress the team, and you could be selected to work as CNMCyber customer support representative with a clear path to becoming a customer support lead. Weekly cash prizes. Every week brings a new chance to win. Didn't win this time. Try again next week. Yeah, so here I see like we were to mention the first prize, second prize, and third prize.
Yeah.
Also
Sure.
mentioned that those who do not get a chance to win, they're still winners since they've got some experience, and also they get a chance to join Wise Next if they would like to, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Yes. Yeah.
yeah. Okay.
Okay. I do actually have something to ask, or maybe
Yes,
a
yes, yes.
proposal.
Mm-hmm.
I think it was the second point you said, help shape the future of Kenya X, if
Mm-hmm.
I'm
Mm-hmm.
remembering it right.
Mm-hmm.
And I
Yes.
think, we are, since it's a challenge, we
Yeah.
do not want to give people an impression of that they are burdened by this participating.
Mm-hmm.
I think we should make them feel privileged to be part of a big thing.
Yeah.
Then, with that being said, I propose you say, be part of shaping Kenya X future.
Mm-hmm.
So, since it's not just one person that will be responsible, one person's idea that will be responsible to shape the future. Every person's contribution matters. And since there is no winner, like no loser, there is
Mm-hmm.
just someone that has gotten a prize of cash, and others have unlocked their opportunities, meaning that we are coordinating all together to shape the future of Kenya X.
Yes, it's what
So
we
I
mentioned,
propose
like
you say be part of,
or be part of
yes,
shaping
be
Kenya
part
X.
of shaping the future of Kenya instead of help shape Kenya X, Kenya X future.
Be part of shaping
Yeah,
the future of Kenya X.
yeah. We want them to feel privileged to be part of the challenge, and again reminding them
Mm-hmm.
that they are there not just to become a prize winner, but to
Mm-hmm.
be part of a big thing bigger than what they expected. You know, and everyone belongs there, and everyone's idea is valued.
Mm-hmm. That one probably we
Yeah.
may add it on this paragraph down below, since like be part of shaping, it makes it longer
Okay.
compared to help shape the future of Kenya X.
Okay.
Yeah,
Mm, if that is the case, I yeah.
yeah.
Okay, and I do have another question.
Mm-hmm.
Um, you said they will be submitting their proposal on the comment section on YouTube,
Yes,
right?
yes.
And then for them to check if they are winners, they have to go somewhere else.
No, no, still on the comment section. So once, let's say,
Still on the
if the
comment section.
challenge is like 2 or 3 days, so they need to submit their ideas between this time. So in the background, I think we will be working to identify the best idea, and after
Okay.
the submission date passes, the following day or the same day in the comment section, we will close the comment section so that no more ideas will be shared, and then
Mhm.
share the winner on the comment section as well.
Okay. And
So
now another question.
uh-huh.
If we said so many people will participate, but at a certain level, some of them will need to vote on who can be the winner or something, right?
Mm-hmm.
And if that is the case, how will you identify these votes
Mm-hmm.
if they are voting on the comment section?
Yeah, there are polls.
Okay.
Oh yeah, so they can go to their friends and the people in the circle and ask them to vote for them, which we mentioned is also another form of marketing. And so the person with the
Okay.
highest number of votes, gets to be like on the top three, or
The
maybe
prize winner.
we will pick the top 10 of the people who got the most votes, and from this top 10 we will select the top three ideas.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay. Still these polls will be happening on that on YouTube, or will it go now to stream?
yeah.
These polls that
Uh-huh.
they will be voting,
Yes,
will it be taking place on YouTube or
yes, on
on
YouTube comment
on
section.
perfect.
Yes,
So everything basically will be taking place on YouTube. I think it's perfect.
correct.
Tracking the votes will not be hard, and
Yeah.
also it will not be complicating their whole process of submitting and voting. It will be perfect.
Yes, for the first
Yeah,
engagement, I think not burdening them with registering, exploring different
yeah,
platforms here and there, jumping from one platform to another. I think YouTube will just handle
yes.
everything, and then so the second engagement, this is when they need now to register and come on board to cnmcyber.com. I see Gary has joined us. Welcome very much, Gary.
Welcome, sir. Welcome, sir.
Yes,
How are you guys?
we are fine. We are fine. So,
We are good.
yeah, I don't know at what point did you
Actually,
you joined us. Yes, Rahim.
you said something about you know we've already said this in the past meetings that other people will unlock opportunities. Now,
Mm-hmm.
if they vote on YouTube and submit their details, their proposal and ideas on YouTube,
Yeah.
now that will leave us with the task of identifying the rest of the people who participated in order
Mhm.
to guide them of where they can now understand of the other opportunities that are available for them.
Would you ask that question again?
Okay, my question is that after they voted and now we have a
Mm-hmm.
cash prize winner,
Yes. 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 Yes.
the
Yes.
rest that remain, they're just now they're
Uh-huh.
supposed to be directed of how they will identify other opportunities that they can be interested
Mm-hmm.
in, right?
Yes. 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 That's a good point.
That means that we have to create a way
Uh-huh.
how we can identify those that did not get the prize, track
Uh-huh.
them down, and you know lead them to where they can get the right answers.
Yes. 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 I think we also missed this. Yeah, we can share this on the comment section during the last, while sharing the winner. We can share this information on the comment section and say like, if you would like to go further and explore other products or other such as Wise Next or join our team, this is the way to go. Gary, what do you think about this?
Yeah,
Okay.
I would say kind of there. I thought it depends who will conduct these meetings.
Mm-hmm.
If we have the meetings, wait a second, we have no meetings at all, right? Like this, we are talking about the first one. So
Yes,
this is kind of
yes,
just like
Yes.
YouTube video.
yeah. There will be a meeting, but this is not for participants. They will join if they like, and they will, whether they want or not. Like the state of a certain, let's say, state of Kenya X website.
I don't know. Yeah, it should be someplace kind of to put this kind of information that
Yeah.
I guess. There also like the one section is missing, which can be helpful.
Mm-hmm.
Like from your this KNX like .com/Mawaza page
Mm-hmm.
is who we are or why we do this,
Oh, yeah.
and then it will be so then it will be a good opportunity to say kind of we are like developers of like KNX,
Mm-hmm.
and if you want to join or you want to participate or kind of make it kind of more like a long-term commitment,
Mm-hmm.
go there.
Okay.
Does it make sense?
Yeah. Makes
To
sense.
explain why we do
Why we're
what we
doing
do
this.
and kind of
Mm-hmm.
and at the same time offer them
Mm-hmm.
to get in.
Yeah. Or maybe to for them to know more why we are doing this, they could go to the About Us page in the KenyaX website.
I like that you added like do your research.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this is the big part. I
Yeah.
will add like just kind of this idea before like dive into the problem.
Mm-hmm.
So kind of I will add this sentence like this challenge is not about like who is the smartest,
Mm-hmm.
like but rather who is
Most active.
kind of independent thinker or
Yeah.
like critical thinker,
Mm-hmm.
like and then do your research. But kind of, but I like this, or maybe to put this kind of yeah, do your research as the like tag is good, but
Mm-hmm.
before dive into the problem,
Mm-hmm.
like add kind of like one sentence,
Mm-hmm.
like something like this challenge is not about who is kind of who is the most creative or who is the smartest or whatever.
Yeah.
Like dive into the it's more about kind of
Mm-hmm.
problem solving, and then dive into the problem. So then dive into the problem will be put in the contest.
Okay.
That it is like one or two sentences before dive into the problem in the text.
Okay.
But I like that you added this.
Mm-hmm.
That's cool.
Yes. So I don't know at what point you joined the session. We were discussing yesterday's developments that we listed out that we need to add on this page, and just to go over it since you were here. One of them is that participation is free, and that is it's listed down here.
Yeah.
And also we have several challenges in a week. So
Yeah.
each week we
Uh,
present several
uh,
challenges. Yeah. As well as
how we will define these challenges, kind of how we will who will create kind of the challenge, like the least. It could be some recurrent challenges, let's say like welcome space or registration or anything else,
or the backlog.
or we will make a decisions, or yeah, what like the challenges again, kind of the challenge topics, like who will decide them, and kind of this is unknown area.
Yeah,
Who
yeah.
will decide what the challenge will be? And I will put them kind of several of them. I
Mm-hmm.
will put kind of as a part. So as of now, I believe that whatever we spoke about the contracts,
Mm-hmm.
it's applicable here.
Yes.
So instead of the contract to conduct like common hour,
Mm-hmm.
I want to contract to conduct this kind of the idea challenges, right, or whatever you call like was
Mm-hmm.
challenges,
Mm-hmm.
and and possibly like this person will create kind of the challenges,
Mm-hmm.
or how will it happen? This unclear to me.
I think
Or
basically
we
this
will approve them.
whatever challenge we face, we may list them as a backlog of projects to be worked on, and we will prioritize them according to let's say need, and then this will
Mhm.
form the challenges.
Yeah, I like this idea. So basically, we will use kind of our normal like general backlog,
Correct.
and we will pick only challenges like from the current stage.
Yes.
And when we clear the current stage,
Mm-hmm.
we can go farther, right?
Yes. Yes.
I like this.
Mm-hmm.
So, and it will be kind of again, like as far as I see,
Mm-hmm.
it will be kind of like everything will be like two phase.
Yeah.
One, like put like this, put this meetup, or put this challenge on the YouTube.
Mm-hmm.
One is like asynchronous, right?
Yeah.
And then it should be like some meeting, like this one, like development meeting,
Mm-hmm.
where possibly kind of the winners will be kind of like selected, or
Mm-hmm.
discuss kind of the topics will be discussed
Yes.
like in depth, and the decisions will be made what to do with this or what to do with that, right?
Yes. That's correct.
So asynchronous first, synchronous second. Yeah, I like it.
Mm-hmm.
I am all in.
All right. Yeah. So also we've made some changes about how to participate. They're required to pick your challenge date. Since there will be several challenges posted in a week, they will select and review a challenge topic that they would like to participate in. As you have mentioned, we will add that text below. Do your research, and then they'll dive into the problem. They'll submit the idea, like on the YouTube, the particular challenge video on the comment section. This is where they share the idea before the deadline. And also, we mentioned that they are welcome to submit as many ideas as they'd like and participate in as many challenges as they want. So we also added to check for if they won, they are welcome to join the state of the challenge event, which will also be posted on the calendar, or watch out for the winner announcement in the video's comment section for that particular challenge.
Mhm.
Yeah, so after the deadline has
Mhm.
passed, we will go ahead and close the comment section and announce the winner. All right. Yeah, and also we added
Oh,
ask questions and win a reward. So if they have a question, they are welcome to post it on the video's comment section. We've gone ahead and said if your question sparks a new development or idea, you could still qualify for a prize. Yes.
I like the all ideas, just like process. So you
Hmm.
put like pages with no category, no other content, and no other content version 2.
Hmm.
Why version 2? Why not the same page you want to kind of,
Yes. The first one
why,
is the Mamlaka, the one we picked from Mamlaka. So we are going to do away with that and remain with this particular one we developed.
we need to delete, we need to delete kind of what is not. Like in this docs, it should be not, should
Hmm.
be the final versions.
Yeah. Yes, so that is our discussions, and according to yesterday's developments that we identified that were missing in this page.
So, I opened kind of this, I opened
Hmm.
the general backlog,
Hmm.
and I see stage 1, like social media banner text.
Hmm.
Will it be, so like I'm trying just like to see what is there. Can you open like this page,
Yes.
kind of the general backlog in the docs?
Hmm.
Yeah, general backlog. Click on the general backlog.
Yes.
So I see like 8 points, right? So let's say these 8 points will be like, will represent a challenges, or what I'm trying to get kind of
Hmm.
the idea how we will select what the challenge will be. Because let's say
No.
contract to run SOP will be kind of a little bit
Yeah.
like
Yeah.
more complex.
Correct.
So
No,
let's
not
say
not.
you cannot put like,
Hmm.
you cannot put like contract to run SOP for the YouTube, right? Comment
Yes.
section.
Yeah.
People need to work on the document, and the
Hmm.
document must be in the space, right?
Yeah.
So like social media banner text maybe kind of for the, like a discussion, or maybe a part of something else.
yeah.
How we, again, I'm working on the idea
Hmm.
how to select the challenges, how, who will kind of select the kind of challenge topics. We will select like one, two first, and then we'll say this is for the contest. We are looking for your ideas how we will generate the challenge
Challenging.
topics.
Yeah, could be.
It can be too.
Yeah.
I will think and I will take a look. Kind of the
Okay.
second to look at this.
Okay. All right. So, are we satisfied with the current page of Kenya X Mamlaka Mawazo? Kenya X Mawazo Challenge?
Yeah, just kind of name it properly and to
Mhm.
categorize. I don't know. I didn't read in details
Okay.
if it's kind of it is better than it was before.
Mm-hmm.
So then, yeah, let's go for it.
All right. Okay. Yeah. So, I think what is basically missing is how to award the prizes, and we mentioned that this would form the first challenge. This will be developed in the first challenge, how to identify the first prize winner, second, and third. And also, what is also missing is how they will receive their cash prizes. This we had agreed that they'll get uh, they'll get the prizes through PayPal, so they'll need to share their PayPal account details. And for those who do not have PayPal, they would be required to probably create one with their parents' credentials. Yeah, so these are the
Yeah, we will say basically we kind of what we will be saying. You want the prize, like let's say 5,000 Kenya shillings is yours.
hmm
Just like we send by PayPal,
yeah
so either let us know when you will create this account,
hmm
or work with your parents or
yeah
whomever is kind of your custodian.
hmm
Because we cannot kind of try to, if they don't have their PayPal account,
hmm
and if they cannot have
yeah
it, assumably they are minors, right?
hmm
And if they are minors, so it will be illegal for us to try to send money somehow,
correct
from my understanding,
hmm
because we need to act through the parents.
yeah
So, like, PayPal account by itself can be a credential
hmm
that this person is not a minor,
yeah
and our tool to work with their kind of to work towards kind of the parents,
hmm
um, something like that.
all right. Yes, I think that marks the end of our discussions, unless there's anything else we may need to add here. Yeah, so just to mention, we have recorded the first session that you missed out, and after this, after we end this meeting, we'll upload it on YouTube, and you will be able to see the discussions that
Cool.
we had with Rahim.
I like it.
All right. Okay. So yeah, so let's meet again on Thursday. Yeah, I think we're on the right track. All right. If there's anything else, thank you guys. See you on Thursday.